Sobrang ingay namin.
Happy birthday, Zam.
Happy birthday sa Matayana!
So, what's your favorite memory of Zam?
So, favorite my... Actually, madami ko naman...
Of Zam.
Quiet. A favorite memory ko with Zam is actually we're still making memories in Tiger Idol.
Yes.
Lahat ng times ng Tiger Idol ay favorite ko with Zam. I think, yes, so. And Agape. Pero hindi kasi ako staff ni Zam. Wala, nandun lang ako. Basta yun. Ay, favorite ka namin, yes.
You're our favorite.
Yes, we love you so much.
We love you so much. And we wish you happy birthday.
And a
long life,
fruitful,
long and
fruitful life.
year because
Year
you're
lang.
already 20.
Years na.
Years to come.
This is the start of
come.
something new. This is the start of something new. Because we're already 20 from your January babies.
You're so 20.
Okay, bye. Love
Bye.
you.
Happy birthday, Zam! Ulit. Okay na yan. Ganun namin ibibigay yan.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Zam! So, what's your favorite memory?
Siguro, my favorite memory with Martin. My favorite memory with Zam. Siguro yung una kong chat sa kanya. Sinabi ko pa, super formal ko pa, sabi ko pa, about STK to, sinasabi ko pa niya, baka available ka for the meeting, brainstorm tayo. Ayun. So, wala lang, parang isipin mo kasi same program kami, and then, STK pa rin yung like, nagpa-meet sa akin. Sorry, ayun lang. So, every STK shoot, ayun yung favorite memory ko with Sam.
Ako, ang favorite memory ko with Zam is every moment. Every small something, and everything. Kasi, pares ko lang kami nakaka-relate.
How about you?
Okay, my favorite moment with Zam is that, it's not a moment, but I'm super grateful that a moment happened that we became classmates and best of friends. So, that's all, Zam. We just wish you a happy birthday, and we love you.
Huwag ka na magjowa.
Happy birthday, Zam! Okay, yun lang. Bye! Paano ba i-end to? Joking lang! Ayun! So, happy birthday! Happiest birthday! Our dearest Samantha Nicole. Ayun no, medyo sentimental ako kasi naisip ko yung time that we ever got to interact with each other, which was at QPAV after PathFit, specifically 3:22 p.m. Ruanyo side, seat J26. Yun. Tandang-tanda ko yun because that moment was very special to me. And without realizing it yet, that was the moment na I made a true, reliable, honest, and caring friend in college. And you know, aside from that, ang favorite moments ko are the times na I would always see you. Kasi nung first year, diba, we would always see every day. Not every day, pero every classes. Pero now na hindi na tayo magkaklase, sobrang saya ko tuwing nakikita kita around the hallways of Raymond's, the offices sa Comms Bureau, and I don't know what to say. Parang seeing you just really makes my day. And I mean that from the heart. Ayun. I hope you have the greatest day. I hope it's full of laughter, full of happiness, full of good food. Because, you know, we are very critical pagdating sa kakainan. And we want it to be good. Pero honestly, kahit saan tayo kumain, kahit magparesan tayo for the whole school year, basta makasalo kita, makasalo ka namin ni Mark, it makes the meal even more special. Hindi ko alam ano sinasabi ko. Like, hello? Pero, ayun, Zam, I guess I'm gonna wrap it up, no? I just want to wish you happiness and fulfillment in the things that you do. And I know in the near future, alam mo, hindi natatagal na you'll find that and you'll be very successful because you put your heart into everything that you do and you're the most hardworking person I know. So you deserve it. And I always pray for you. I pray for your family. And I pray that you always take care of yourself and that you take your time to find the things that you are looking for. Ang lalim. But, you know, I mean those things. And I wish you happy birthday. And I love you so much, Zam. And I hope you always remember that. I'm always here. Happy birthday, Samantha.
So, hello. Magandang umaga or gabi. Most likely morning pag pinanood mo na to. And, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Zam! Happy birthday, Samantha Iana Cruz. Wishing you the best. Kung gusto mo na specific na wish, sana madali lang yung tanong sa'yo sa either subjects natin sa poll. Mga saan galing school si Leo Strauss? Ay, sa Chicago School po. Or ano yung positivism? Ay, yun po yung perspective na value free po dapat yung view natin sa mundo. Kaya puro quantitative po yung gamit. Type shit. Yun, mga ganun tanong, madali lang. And kung gusto mo pa ng isang wish, sana masapapandaan nyo. Since yun yung usually na mga stories na nakikita ko sa Instagram mo. Mga pagkain. Gusto mo ng basis, sana sa Conti scadding cake nyo, ganun. Blueberry cheesecake. Masarap yun. And favorite memory with you is yung tinanong kita kung kilala mo si Goku. Tapos sabi mo, ay, oo! Yun yung galing sa Dragon Ball, di ba? Tapos, diba, saya ko nun. Kala ko tititigan mo lang ako. Pero baka di mo na naalala yun. Pero hopefully naalala mo. And, yun lang. Wishing you the best ulit. Sana madali question mo sa poll. Sana masarap pagkain niya. Sana galing sa kay Contis. Bye-bye.
Hi Zam, happy birthday to you, my loves. And, yun, alam mo na yun. Hindi, joke lang. Ang hirap maging kalog, no, sa video na to. Pero kasi, I don't wanna make this too long and too short. So, I'm gonna start off by saying na ulit, happy birthday to you, Zammy. We miss you so much, not only me, but our other friends sa group natin, such as Cholo, Krip. I know na for the next few videos, or baka nauna sila, na they're gonna be saying their greetings. So, sobrang impromptu na ito, Zam. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan ko ng script, pero gusto ko lagi akong impromptu kasi doon tayo magaling eh. Tayong magkutropa, tayong dalawang magaling tayo sa pag-impromptu. So, I just wanna say na sana matupad na lahat ng wishes mo. I hope for your good health. Not only you, but your family too. And huwag ka masyadong magpapagod, Zam, no? Give time for yourself. Meaning na magpakita ka sa amin. Ha? Hindi na to request, pagbabanda na to. So, ayun na nga, miss ka na namin. And one memory na tumatak sa akin na kasama ka, hindi na ka pa iniisip, I'm sorry, pero sobrang dami kasi natin ginawa together. Not only together, but you know, the whole group. Pero ayun eh, sobrang dami natin ginawa together na hindi ko maisip kung ano yung favorite ko. Like, to the point na hindi ko alam kung eto na ba or eto na ba dapat. Pero yun, each moment with you, Zam, is unforgettable. So, remember na you're enough, you're worth it. Nag-run si Kuya. Si Kuya naman nag-comfort. Ayun. Zam, lagi mong tatandaan na we're always here for you. We're ready to comfort you anytime. And don't worry, di na kami masyado nagtatampo kasi hindi ka nagpapakita. Joe, we understand na busy ka. But always remember to take care of yourself. And I love you so much, Lalabs. Happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Hello, Zam! Happy birthday! So, ayun, thank you for being one of my friends during first year ng college. Kasi, siguro if I hadn't met you, then yung first year experience ko hindi siya magiging fun as it was kasama ng Sponty. And siguro, aside sa mga spontaneous trips nga natin and sa mga kwentuhan, one of my favorite memories with you is yung during Paskuhan. Kasi Paskuhan is one of the events ng UST na nilulook forward natin or nilulook forward ko lalo kasi yung nga first year tayo. And ang saya lang kasi we get to see and sing songs from the artists. Kasama natin sila Amir, sila Jersey, sila Cret. And ayun, naalala ko nga, di ba, parang ginawa pa kitang phone stand para maging aesthetic yung video natin na steady lang siya. So, for my birthday wish naman, I hope you get all the good things in life. Like happiness and success sa mga goals mo. And also, I just want to say na I'm grateful for all the memories we've made together. And ayun, nakakamiss lang talaga kasi since hindi na tayo magkakaklase and hindi na rin nagmi-meet yung schedule. So, ayun lang. Enjoy your day, Zam. And once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Zam. Although hindi na tayo masyado nagkikita ngayon since hindi na tayo classmate, I'll always remember how you've always included me in your own small ways, especially before. You were one of the first people I met in college, so alam mong you hold a very special space in my heart. You're my pulse, like BFF. Ayun, although hindi na nga tayo classmate, I hope you always remember na I'm only one chat away, and kung ano man yung mga decisions mo in life, kung ano man yung mararating mo, kung saan ka man mapupunta, I'll always be here to support you. Yeah. All I ever want you to be is to be happy. So happy birthday, Sam. I love you so much, and I hope mas mag-foster and mas mag-grow pa yung friendship natin from here. Love you!
Yes, birthday may illicit affairs buddy. Firstly, so, sobrang memorable lahat ng pinagsamahan natin, lalo na nung early grade 11 days from, ang lakas naman pa hinaan na yun. So ayun, sobrang memorable lahat ng memories natin together as friends, as sisters na rin. Mula Discord days hanggang sa magkita-kita tayo in person. Tapos lalo na nung ang hilig pa natin mag-inom, di ko alam kung bakit. Nag-vape ka pa, basta kung ano nung pinagagawa natin sa mga hipak-hipak na yan. Tapos yung mga relapse natin sa CAF, ganun, yung mga tot-gatot, ganyan, mga ganyan. Tapos, despite sa mga naging problems natin nung senior high school, alam mo yun, mga misunderstandings natin, ewan ko ba't pa naging ganun yun. Ikaw kasi, ang layo mo kasi, charis. Pero ngayon, nandyan ka na ngayon sa Espanya. So, lagi na tayong magbabonding ganyan. Pero, yung schedule naman natin yung nagkabaliktad ngayon. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung time na nag-Discord tayo. Chinutor mo kami ni Von. Kasi tangang-tanga na kami nun kay Sir Jen Matt. Basta yun, nabobobo na kami dun. Ay, hindi ko yun makakalimutan. Sobrang grateful ako sa'yo nun. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo. I'm always cheering for you silently sa lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan mo. Sa mga problems mo, alam ko namang sobrang strong mo talaga. Alam ko yan. Alam ko sobrang strong mo. Pero minsan, magpahinga ka rin naman, te. Sobrang thankful ako sa'yo kasi kahit madami kang friends, di mo pa rin ako nakakalimutan. Sobrang thankful ako sa'yo kasi alam ko tinetreasure mo yung mga pinagsamahan natin at yung pagsama pa rin natin ngayon. Sana maging close pa ulit tayo ngayong second year. Alam mo yan, from Frasati to Raymond's, nag-reunite tayo nung first year. Tapos, sana ngayon kahit magkaiba na tayo ng block, sana lagi ka pa rin namin makasama. Sana lagi mo pa rin ako makasama, ganyan. And, sana matuloy na yung dinner natin. Wish ko sa'yo, teka, parang nag-wish na ako. Teka, parang ang haba na ng video ko. So, ayun, mahal na mahal kita. For you, I would ruin myself a million Tangina ko manta. I love you, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Zam! Favorite memory ko ay yung hinahanap mo yung cellphone mo. Tatlo na nga lang tayo yun. Wait lang. Happy birthday, Zam! Ang favorite moment ko with you ay nakadrinking pati kita ng Christmas. Ang favorite ko is nung nasa Grandstand tayo kasama nila Andre. Ang favorite ko is yung Starbucks tayo kasama natin sila sa Macdo. Wow! Okay, happy birthday! Love you! Si Bon! Ano? Happy birthday, Andrea! Ay, Zam! Favorite memory? Favorite memory?
Yung mga inuman tapos nung nagtuturo siya ng Genman sa Discord. Tapos nung fan kay Kill Me.
Anong wish mo sa kanya?
Maging head ng TMN sa 4th year.
Happy birthday, Zam. Hindi mo man matatanong pero nasa CR ako ngayon. So, first of all, I want to say happy birthday and thank you because I know you try your best to spend time with your friends kahit sobrang busy na schedule mo. I know this past year have been a roller coaster ride for you and for this year, I wish you nothing but peace. Alam ko na alam mo na to, pero hindi masama ang magpahinga. You're a very strong person. You're one of the strongest person I know. So I hope you know that it's okay not to be strong all the time. Because nandito naman kami. Because we're your friends and we always got you. So whatever you need, just know that we're one call away. So for your birthday, I hope that you spend it with the things you enjoy the most. Happy birthday, Zam. So, makapag-dinner na tayo. Magkita-kita na tayo.
Kung tatanungin niyo kung ano yung favorite memory ko with Zam, honestly, medyo mahirap siyang sagutin kasi like, ang dami na naming memories together, like, lagi kami magkatabi, lagi kami magkagrupo, and like, sobrang dami na rin naming TikToks and vlogs na nagawa. Pero kung papapiliin talaga ako, I feel like I would choose yung time na sa parang sobrang sponty lang namin na kumain together, na kaming dalawa lang nung on a random Tuesday. Biglang after class ata yun, may parang stalls at booths na nagbebenta ng iba't ibang pagkain. Tapos ewan ko anong trip namin nun, pero trinay namin sila lahat. Tapos dead man lang talaga sa budget, like it was the experience. Tapos alala ko na like nire-rate namin isa-isa yung mga taste test namin, ganyan. Tapos nag-share kami ng food together habang nagkikwentuhan. And I know na super simple lang siya na memory, pero isa talaga yun sa mga pinaka-tumatak sa akin. Kasi honestly, with Zam kasi hindi mo naman kailangan ng very grand na experience to enjoy. Like, being with her presence lang talaga super enough na yun. At isa yun sa mga naging pinaka-core memories ko when I was in UST. And isa yun syempre sa mga nami-miss ko right now na syempre magkaiba na kami ng school, ganyan. And nami-miss ko talaga yung feeling na every after class, kahit gano'n ka pa kapagod, laging may Zam na, alam mo yun, matatakbuhan mo, and laging may Zam na sasamahan ka sa kung ano-anong mga trip nyo in life. So, Zam, if you're watching this, I hope na makapag-food trip and makapag-celebrate tayo ng birthday mo together because you're really the type of girl that deserves to be celebrated, and I hope you know that. I know na hindi naging madali, but I'm really, really proud of you for making it to 20, and I'm really just so excited for what's in store for you now that you're in your 20s.
Mga nagsisink in na ba siya sa'yo? Charis, hindi. Pero just know na parang no matter what happens, na lagi ka may matatakbuhan. And no matter the distance, no matter what happens, na you always have me. And pwede mo kong ayain anytime, girl. I'll make time for you. And I'm really, really just happy na you made it to 20. And I'm really happy na isa ako sa mga kaibigan na parang you choose to spend time with, you choose to share your kwentos with, and you choose to, eat with. So, I'm really happy to be your friend. And thank you so much for giving me that blessing. I hope you take time today to enjoy and to really just celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday, Zam! I love and miss you! Mwah!
Go! Happy birthday, Zam! Ang favorite memory ko sa'yo ay tinuruan mo akong magtimpla at magsulo ng JP-Long.
Continue mo.
Kasi parang, alam mo yung sobrang laking milestone na na-reach ko yun. Yung pagsindi ng lighter, yung at least hindi nasunog yung kamay ko. Kaya super grateful ako. Pero beyond that, the deeper sense, tinuruan mo akong magmahal. But to keeping short, I love you and I wish you all the best. Kasi sobrang haba na ng video mo, mga 30 minutes lang. Ikaw din naman
Happy birthday, Samantha Iyana. Alam ko lunod ka sa readings ngayon, kaya please take your time and please take a rest para ma-celebrate mo kahit saglit yung birthday mo. So, ang message ko sa'yo ay, ayun, first of all pala, ang one of the favorite memorable ko sa'yo ay, siguro to reminisce something is nung senior high school tayo. I don't know if naalala mo pa, pero pag discussion, tapos nagkakatinginan tayo, ay nagtataasan tayo ng kilay. Actually, tinataasan mo ko ng kilay out of nowhere. Tapos minsan nag-eye roll ka pa. Pero alam mo, yun ang namimiss ko, yung katarayan mo at yung kilay mo. And I also miss the times na yung coding natin, alam ko medyo nahirapan. Medyo ang dynamic ay medyo naghirap-hirap tayo nun, pero proud ako na andun ka at thankful ako na andun kayo at lalo ka na kasi kayo talaga may alam sa mga pinagkagawa natin noon. And ayun, so alam ko namang alam mo naman na to, but I just want to remind you na andito lang kami lagi if you need someone to talk to rant to, basta or kahit kasama lang, you can always reach out to us, to me, kahit hindi nagtutugma yung schedule natin, parehas tayong busy, maraming nagawa, but we can make time for you. We can make the time for each other. And then I just want to say na I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of what kind of woman and what kind of ate you are. Kasi I may not understand it fully, but gets ko yung hirap. Naintindihan namin, nakikita namin yung hirap, and then yung bigat ng pagiging ate mo. I'm just so proud of you. If you need to be like parang maging free or parang yung walang iisipin, yung hindi magpaka-ate, you can always do that to us, with us. Sorry. So, I hope this year will be a lighter year na kung saan mas makakapagpahinga ka, mas makakahinga ka. And then, I wish also na yung mga work opportunities mo with TMN is dumami pa, and then mga dreams and goals mo for this year and the following year is makakamit mo din. So ayun, hindi ko napapahabaan, but I love you so much, sister. Magkita na tayo soon pag hindi ka natambak na readings at hindi na ako tambak na readings. So ayun, happy birthday, Samantha Iyana. Magpahinga ka please. At kapag hindi na tayo busy lahat, magkita na tayo. Yes! I love you so much, sister!
Pala feeling ng mga artista kapag nag-video create. Anyways, hi Zam! Happy birthday! 20 ka na! At wala ka pa rin jowa. So, ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana makahanap ka na ng someone na maglalabas ulit ng pagiging lover girl mo. And other than that, I hope this year maging gentle na sa'yo ang world, because I know you deserve everything you've been wishing for and more. Love mo yan. If meron man ako magiging message for you, ang masasabi ko lang is, I miss you. Legit. Kasi kahit lagi tayong magkasama sa work, syempre work is work, magkaiba yun. So, ayun lang. I miss bonding with you. I miss doing nothing with you. Basta I miss you, te. Alam mo naman yun. Alam ko naman ding busy ka in life, so medyo mahirap magkaroon ng time sa amin. Dami mong ganaps. Pero it's okay. We support you. I support you. I believe in you. I'm always proud sa lahat ng mga ganaps mo in life. I'm always proud sa lahat ng mga naging achievements mo and magiging achievements mo. And kung nasan ka man ngayon, alam mo na yan. I'm always proud of you. And alam mo rin naman na I'll always be here. Legit. Legit lang. Dahil makikita na naman tayo this week. Every month na tayong nakikita sa CB. So, sana hindi mo ako pagsawaan. Kasi, gato na tayo hanggang mag-senior citizen tayo, okay? So, bawal kang magsawa sa akin. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Zam! I love you.
Hi, Zam! Happy birthday! Okay, so sorry for cramming this. I'm on my way to class. And I remembered I had to greet you like this greeting. But please don't let it be a judgment of my character and how much I love you. Busy lang ako. Anyway, happy birthday, Zam. And my best memory with Zam would be okay, I'm back. My favorite memory with you was nung naligo tayo sa Pico de Oro ng birthday ni Cheska nang nakahubad. Because literally and figuratively, no one has ever seen me that bare. So, ayun. Very intimate memory yun sa akin. Na parang, I was comfortable enough and trusted you enough to be naked with you. Parang feel ko bastos naman ang message ko. Pero hindi. Sana gets mo yung point. Na, I trust you with my whole life and bawal tayo mag-FO kasi nakita mo na akong nakahubad. Ayun. Sorry. I have to go, Zam. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Zam! Wish you all the best and God will do the rest. And ang favorite memory ko with you is nung senior high. Nung nag-cheat yung ex ko. Tapos, tumakbo tayo sa fire exit and doon tayo nag-iyakan. And yun yung first hug ko with you. And nung sa library, nung kumanta ko, rinig pala yung boses ko sa buong library. So, tumawa lang tayo. So, I love you, Queen, my twin. I love you so much because hindi ko yung uwi. Ulit. I love you, twin.
Hi, Sam. Happy birthday. So, yung favorite memory ko with you is nung nanood tayo ng Pyro Musical Festival sa MOA, and hopefully ikaw ulit yung kasama ko this year. So yung message ko is thank you sa friendship na meron tayo. Isa ka sa mga chine-cherish ko talagang tao sa aking life. And I'm proud of you. Proud ako sa mga achievements mo, sa mga bagay na na-survive mo, academically man yan or sa personal life mo. And know na I'm always rooting for you. And I just wish you a great year ahead. Sana ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo this year and sa mga susunod na taon pa. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Hi, Pot! To my best friend since day one, my ride or die friend, my sponty friend, and my friend of all kinds. Happy birthday! It's your 20th birthday. Enjoy your day and I miss you so much. See you soon and bond soon in Yambo Lake. It's our birthday celebration, so matuloy dapat yun, okay? I wish you all the best in life, the guidance of the Lord, since sobrang gala mo, hindi ka matahimik sa sarili mong lugar. Okay, I miss you so much. Alam mo naman, ikaw yung lagi kong pinupuntahan dito pag wala akong magawa. And whatever you feel you'll be happy to, I'll always support you. I may not be with you virtually always, but you know naman you always have me right. Enjoy your day. I miss you so much. I love you lagi. Bye! I may not be good in words, but you know how much I appreciate you naman, di ba?
So, ayan. Hi, Zam! Happy birthday! Yung memory natin na favorite ko is yung nagpunta tayo ng Antipolo. Sponte yun. Tapos wala, nagkwentuhan tayo nung kinagabihan. Dito kayo sa bahay, nagstay hanggang umaga. Tapos yan, nag-share. Wala lang. Ang sarap kasi ng feeling ng mga gano'n, yung mga deep talks, ganyan, nare-restore yung heart ko. Yun lang. So, yung message ko sa'yo is, sobrang proud ako. Sobrang proud ako sa achieve mo. Sobrang nakaka-proud yung mga bagay na na-overcome mo. So, hindi na ako nakaka-catch up sa mga ganap mo. Pero the way I see it, sa mga stories mo, ganyan, grabe, napaka-strong girl mo. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na sana, huwag mong hayaan na makuha nung problema mo yung spark mo, yung ngiti mo, ganyan. Good luck, God bless. God bless sa journey mo. God bless sa'yo. Sana masurvive mo lahat. Talagang nag-root ako for you. I always wish you nothing but the best. And hindi man ako palagi nang nakakasama, ganyan. Hindi natin nakapagkita, yung best of luck natin, wala na talaga. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm always here. You can always message me, ganyan. Mag-reply ako. Nag-reply talaga ako. Ayun. Bago ko ento, yung palagi kong sinasabi. Kasi favorite quote ko kasi ito na, you can always begin again. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung naging problem mo, pero I assure you, hindi ka mawawala ng beginnings, Zam. Yun lang. Lagi mong itatak sa'yo na hindi ka mawawala ng beginnings. Pwede kang magsimula ulit. So, ayan. Happy birthday and miss na kita. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Sam. Ingat ka palagi and tayin mo ako pag-uwi. Charot. Nahiya ako. Kaya magme-message na lang ako. I love you.
Happy birthday, Zam. Favorite memory ko with you pag tumatambay sa mga bahay-bahay, ganon, lalo na sa bahay mo. Wait lang, naiyak ako. Ayun, tsaka wala. Feel ko kasi pag narinig ko yung word na Montalban, tapos tambay, ganon. Ikaw yung una kong naiisip. Tsaka sa pag-video kay ganyan, parang ikaw lagi ko kaduwit sa Kitchen Nadal medley. Mga ganon. Tapos, yun. Basta pag magkasama lang, ganyan. Lahat ng mga tropa. Tapos, yun. Minsan, pag di ka kasama, parang kulang, ganun. Ba't ka nagdala naman dyan? Ayun lang. Happy birthday. Kahit na di tayo masyado nag-uusap, ganyan. Andito lang ako lagi. Got you always. Lalo na ngayon, sobrang busy girl mo na. At saka, sobrang proud ako sa mga, sa mga achievements mo. Sa mga achievements mo, sa mga nakukuha mong proud. Alam mo yun, deserve mo yan lahat eh. Kaya, yun, more blessings to come pa kasi deserve mo talaga lahat ng nakukuha mo ngayon sa life mo. Lahat ng magaganda at mabubuting bagay. Yun lang. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day. Huwag mo rin kalimutan mag-enjoy kahit sobrang busy mo na. Dito lang ako. Ayain mo lang ako. Bye-bye. Good night. Happy birthday.
Hey Zam, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Zam!
So, ang favorite memories ko with you is yung time na lagi akong nasa inyo. Nung galing ako Manila na 3 days akong nagstay sa inyo. And syempre yung mga time na lagi mo pinaglulutuan ng mga specialty mo. And wish ko sa'yo is sana mahanap mo yung peace and happiness na matagal mo nang hinahanap. And dito lang kami always ni Scarlett tuwing kailangan mo kahit di ka magsabi.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam!
Sam, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is good health and then mag-aral ka mabuti, makag-graduate ka and then maging successful ka sa buhay mo. I love you, I miss you. Happy birthday, Ate Sam. Happy birthday, Ate Sam. Like, kiss me, Ate Sam. Kiss, Ate Mua. Meron this. Happy birthday!
Hey Pod! Welcome to another era. I am one of those few people who were fortunate enough to have grown up with you and have seen you throughout the seasons. And I think those are my favorite memories with you. I love that I get to just exist with you, try so many of my firsts with you, even the most mundane things in life like going grocery shopping or sleeping next to each other, cooking together, or doing our online classes together. Those memories become special because I get to do it with you and you're like a sister to me now. And I just want to tell you that I'm so proud of you. Like, I'm so proud of you because you are one of the strongest people I know, and I have so much admiration for that. You have been put into situations or circumstances that is just hard to go through, but regardless of that, you have shown so much grace, so much strength, even if the world was not that nice to you. And I admire that so much, and I just wish you the best because you deserve that. I just wish you genuine happiness and healing. I wish you the strength to be able to move forward and to heal, and I wish that the universe will repay the kindness and the grace you have given it. I want you to know that I will always be here for you no matter what, no matter how many more years, no matter how many more changes we go through. I'll always love every version of you, and whenever you get too tired, too exhausted, if Manila gets way too noisy or chaotic, I hope you know that you can always come back to us. You can always come home to us. We'll always be here for you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. I love you lagi.
Hi Zam! Happy birthday! We miss you so much. Uwi ka na ng Montalban, please, para makapag-coffee na ulit tayo nila Hartzell. Good luck sa studies and keep fighting every day. I love you and I'm rooting for you always. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam!
Love you.
We miss you. Ingat lagi. Love.
Happy birthday, Sam! Sana mag-enjoy kayo ngayong birthday mo. Matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Ano pa ba? God bless you. Yun lang. Love you.